There is a piece of land in Gurgaon that has been waiting for the right developer for more than 11 years, and that wait has finally ended. Oberoi Realty has acquired the land in question, and in my view, they are preparing to launch one of the most important residential projects Gurgaon had seen in the last decade. Hi, I'm Bhavika Mehta, co founder of JLK Advisors. We specialize in real estate and data driven market analysis. In this video, I'll explain the story behind Oberoi 360 North, its history, product, pricing, location, and what the market is telling us. My goal is to help you understand the project through an investor's perspective and not just through marketing brochures. Before we talk about Oberoi 360 North, there is an important part of the story that most of the people have not discussed yet. The land was originally part of a much larger development planned by IREO. Their vision was to create a mixed use destination that would include a Grand Hyatt hotel, premium office spaces, luxury retail, high street, high end residencies, all within one integrated community. Now, in 2014, IREO launched Grand Hyatt residencies at a price point of around 22,000 per square feet. To put that into perspective, properties on Golf Course Road, the most premium location in Gurgaon at that time, were trading at around 10,000 to 14,000 per square feet. While on Golf Course Extension Road, where this project is currently located, properties were trading at around 6,500 to 8,500 per square feet. In simple terms, IREO was asking the buyers to pay almost three times the market rate for a home in this location. The belief was that the Grand Hyatt brand, limited land availability, and the overall mixed development would justify the premium. The idea was strong, but unfortunately, the company ran into severe financial problems and the residential project never moved forward. Eventually, they had to sell off the residential land. What's interesting though is that several parts of the IREO's original vision were actually completed. Grand Hyatt Hotel is successfully operational. Grand High Street is a popular lifestyle and retail destination with premium cafes, restaurants, and luxury brands. This is important because Oberoi Realty is now entering into a location that already has a functioning hotel, an active high end retail ecosystem, and a premium neighborhood identity. Now, to understand the potential of this project, we first need to understand the developer behind it. Oberoi Realty is one of Mumbai's most luxury real estate developers. For over 40 years, they have built a reputation of delivering premium projects with major focus on quality, design, and low density living. A good example is their landmark project 360 West in Worli, Mumbai. It is one of the city's most prestigious residential address, which is also home to many business leaders, celebrities, and high net worth individuals like Mr. Vikas Oberoi, the chairman and MD of Oberoi Realty, Mr. Radhakishan Damani, Shahid Kapoor, and many more. Apartment in that project have seen prices move close to 1 lakh per square feet, making it one of India's most premium residential address. In November 2023, Oberoi Realty acquired this land of 14.85 acres for 597 crores, and many industry experts believe that this particular land is worth well over 1000 crore at this point in time. That is due to rising property values and improving infrastructure in the area. For a developer entering a new city, this is a major investment. It shows that Oberoi Realty is not here for some sort of short term commitment. They are making a long term bet on Gurgaon. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Many global investment firms remain positive on India, especially in the sectors linked to long term growth and urbanization. Luxury housing in cities like Gurgaon has benefited from rising income, limited supply of premium land, and strong demand from affluent buyers. Also, a good example of Oberoi's credibility is their commercial development in Mumbai, where Morgan Stanley very recently leased 1.1 million square feet of office space. So, deals of this level only show the confidence global institutions have in Oberoi as a brand and their ability to deliver world-class real estate. Now, let's talk about the location because that is one of the reasons why this project is generating so much interest. 360 North by Oberoi Realty is located in Sector 58, Golf Course Extension Road, an area which has seen tremendous growth over the last few years. To give you an idea, the average property prices on Golf Course Extension Road went from 25,000 per square feet in 2024 to nearly 38,000 per square feet in 2025. That's a jump of more than 50% in just 1 year. Also, the total value of property transactions also grew significantly in that particular area with a strong buyer demand. So, what's driving this growth? First is connectivity. The location offers easy access to Golf Course Road, Sona Road, NH48, and Dwarka Expressway. Also, the airport is in very comfortable driving distance, which makes it easy for frequent travelers and business owners. Second is proximity to major business districts. Areas like Golf Course Road, Udyog Vihar, Cyber City are easily accessible from here. This attracts senior professionals, entrepreneurs, and business owners who prefer living close to where they work. Third, infrastructure improvement. Several road upgrades and traffic improvements are planned for this corridor. In fact, as per Haryana government's 2031 master plan and GMDA plans, Golf Course Extension Road is set for an 8-lane upgrade, which would further help this corridor managing traffic and better living infrastructure. And then there is something that can simply not be recreated, and those are the Aravali views. Many apartments at 360 North will overlook the Aravlis. And since construction in these areas are heavily restricted, the views are likely going to remain unobstructed for the foreseeable future. And in luxury real estate, permanent views often become a major differentiator over time. A Collier's report cited in 2026 positioned Gurgaon as NCR's strongest luxury destination, supported by corporate ecosystem density, well-planned sectors, and strong HNI and NRI buyer demand. CBRE, JLL, Knight Frank, and Anrock have all documented 12 to 20% growth in Gurgaon's luxury micromarket in 2025. Now, what makes this genuinely different? 2 apartments per floor. In a city where ultra luxury usually means 4 to 6 apartments sharing a core, Oberoi's commitment to 2 apartments per floor per tower is a product decision that costs them significantly in terms of revenue per acre. Also, out of 14.85 acres, 8.5 acre has been dedicated to internal greens, water bodies, walking paths, and open spaces. This represents 57% of the total land area. And in a city where developers have historically traded green spaces for FSI, dedicating so much space to greenery is a significant decision. The project also offers an interesting option to buyers who want even larger homes. Apartments can be merged vertically to form a sky duplex. However, apartments cannot be merged on the same floor. This is to help maintain privacy and exclusivity for all the residents while still offering sort of flexibility to buyers who want more space. And then there is the clubhouse. At 1.12 lakh square feet, it's larger than many standalone commercial buildings. Residents will have access to Olympic size swimming pool, wellness facilities, aqua gym, spa services, pickleball court, and many other lifestyle amenities. Another important factor is the construction quality. So for this, Oberoi has partnered with L&T, which is India's most respected construction company. And for buyers, this adds an extra layer of confidence because timely delivery and construction quality are major concerns when it comes to residential projects of this large scale. And finally, then there is the scarcity factor. Large land parcels in prime Gurgaon locations are becoming increasingly rare, especially around established infrastructure and premium residential corridors. And that's what makes this project unique. a 14.85 acres of low density luxury development in a mature location is not something we are likely to see very often in the future. Now, to understand Oberoi's 360 knots pricing, we need to understand and see where it sits in the Gurgaon's luxury market. At the very top, we have DLF The Dahlias, where residencies are priced above 100 crores. Then we have established luxury communities like DLF Camellias and Magnolias, where homes typically trade between 40 crores to 70 crores in the resale market. At the other end, we have projects like DLF The Crest, which offer ready to move in luxury homes in the 15 to 23 crore range. And this is where Oberoi's 360 North becomes interesting, with starting prices of around 21 to 23 crore for a 4 BHK. It sits in a segment that has seen very few new launches in recent years. Most developers have either launched projects in 10 to 15 crore range or gone straight into the 35 crore plus ultra luxury bracket. And what Oberoi is doing is that it is targeting the gap in between, offering a brand new luxury project with modern design, fresh inventory, and the credibility of the Oberoi brand. Now, when it comes to comparison, one of the best projects to compare Oberoi's 360 North is DLF The Crest on Golf Course Road. When The Crest was launched in 2013, prices were around 15,500 per square feet. Possession of The Crest was delivered in 2018. Today, homes in the project are trading at around 50,000 to 65,000 per square feet in the resale market. In absolute terms, an apartment, a 4 BHK apartment, that cost around 5 to 6 crore at launch is now trading somewhere between 17 to 30 crore at DLF The Crest. Of course, the Crest is located at
Golf Course Road.
and Golf Course Extension Road is still evolving and has a bigger room for growth. So this comparison should be seen as an important reference point. That said, many of the factors that made the Crest successful are also present in this project, which are low density planning, larger apartments, a reputed developer, strong connectivity, and premium location. And these are the values that typically drive long term appreciation in luxury market. Another interesting aspect of this project is that Oberoi 360 North is being offered as a bare shell unit. There are only a handful of ultra luxury projects in Delhi NCR that follow this model, including DLF The Dahlias, Max 1 Noida, and now Oberoi 360 North. Now, this particular concept is much more common in Mumbai luxury real estate, where high net worth individuals often prefer designing their homes from scratch rather than accepting standard developer finish. Now, for buyers, there are two major advantages to this. First is obviously complete customization. Every aspect of the home can be customized according to the owner's lifestyle, preference, and taste. Second is a greater control over cost and quality. So instead of paying for developer provided interior package, buyers can choose how much they want to spend on the material, brands, and finishes themselves. Now, what residents will actually live near? One of the biggest advantages of 360 North is the already existing infrastructure and lifestyle amenities around it. IREO Grand High Street, immediately adjacent to Oberoi 360 North, is Gurgaon's most distinctive retail and recreational experiences, with luxury outlets, curated restaurants and cafes, premium boutiques, all in a design forward format. Even the Grand Hyatt Hotel is located next door, so residents can enjoy an easy access to 5-star dining, events, hospitality services without having to leave their neighborhood. And beyond the immediate vicinity, Golf Course Extension Road has evolved into Gurgaon's one of the most active lifestyle corridors. Popular destinations like Cyber Hub, Golf Course Road, Sector 29, premium schools, leading hospitals, and business districts are all within very easy reach. Now, before we conclude, it's important to look at the bigger picture. because no real estate project operates in isolation. Now, I will read this out loud. Morgan Stanley, in their Global Real Estate Outlook for 2026, has characterized the current environment as an inflection point for real estate, supported by lower interest rates, constrained supply, and improving capital markets. Now, global institutions and industry reports continue to highlight India as one of the most attractive growth markets, supported by rising incomes, improving infrastructure, and strong NRI and domestic demand. Luxury housing, in particular, is one of the fastest growing segments. Institutional investment into Indian real estate reached record levels in 2025. All of this shows increasing confidence from large investors. Also, Cushman and Wakefield's India Outlook 2026 identifies luxury and high end housing as a key growth theme, driven by rising incomes and increasing NRI participation. They note that institutional investment in Indian real estate surpassed 7.5 billion USD in 2025, an all time high, with positive sentiment expected to continue into 2026. Also, Delhi NCR saw 14,248 new residential units launched in 2025 fourth quarter alone. That is a 39% increase over the previous quarter and 2.5 times higher than the same period a year earlier. More importantly, the market has been absorbing the supply, indicating that the buyer demand remains strong. And closer to home, Anrock reported that Gurgaon was one of the India's best performing luxury housing markets in 2025. Also, premium residential prices in key micro markets like Golf Course Extension Road increased by around 12 to 20% during the year. Average property prices in Gurgaon increased from 7,500 per square feet in 2019 to 19,500 per square feet in 2024. That's nearly 160% jump in 5 years. Industry estimates suggest that 2025 saw another 12 to 18% increase in several premium locations. And the factors driving this growth: better infrastructure, strong corporate demand, NRI participation, limited supply of premium land, they all remain very much in place even today. And that brings us back to Oberoi Realty. When a developer of Oberoi's track record invests 597 crore to acquire land in a new city, that's rarely a speculative decision. It reflects a long-term belief in the market and a confidence that the fundamentals will remain strong during the entire project development cycle. Also, one interesting demand lever for this project is the Oberoi Loyalist base in Mumbai. 360 West buyers and Mumbai's HNIs and ultra HNIs have a significant trust and positive experience with Oberoi brand. And with this, they are looking forward to diversify their investments into Delhi NCR. And that very strategically expands the buyer universe from local NCR HNIs and ultra HNIs. Now, let me be clear about what I think. 360 North is not a project for everyone. At around 20 crore entry and 5,500 square feet bare shell, the investor and buyer profile is very specific. It is about somebody who understands the value of low density, understands the value of brand name, product quality, location, and exclusivity. And what I genuinely feel compelling in this project is the convergence of four things that rarely align together in a single project. So, first one here would be the developer. So, Oberoi Realty has a reputation in the market. It has a track record that speaks for itself. And with L&T as the construction partner, it adds another layer of confidence that the buyer can get from this combination. Second is obviously the product. 2 apartments per floor, 8.5 acres of internal greens, Aravali views, large apartments, bare shell units. This offering is very different from other luxury or ultra luxury projects in Gurgaon at this point. Third is the location. Golf Course Extension Road continues to benefit from improving infrastructure, growing demand, and increasing interest from the NRI buyers. And fourth is the pricing segment. There have been very few new luxury launches in the 20 to 27, 28 crore bracket. This gives Oberoi's 360 North a unique position in the market. So, based on the developer, the product, the pricing, and the location, Oberoi's 360 North is a project that deserves serious consideration from HNIs looking at Gurgaon's real estate in 2026. And if you would like to have a detailed discussion on whether this project fits your investment goals, holding period, return on investment, feel free to reach out to JLK Advisors. Link for the same is in the description below. And if you found this analysis useful, do subscribe to this channel. We cover Gurgaon and Gift City real estate with a research driven approach so that you make better informed property decisions. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.